Hi friends and welcome back. If you ever thought that you have a great idea but you had the excuse that you can't code, I have big news for you. This excuse died forever. Because right now, thanks to AI, vibe coding and no code, there are no excuses. Building an app in digital product, in web application is easier than ever. In this video, I'm breaking down for you how tools like Cursor AI, Lovable, Windsurf, and Supabase can help you to develop really fast products in the digital space. And this vibe coding movement is making ideas real much faster, and that building the products isn't your biggest problem anymore. It's sales. If you love productivity, AI, are interested in vibe coding and personal finance, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new videos about these topics every week. Thank you very much, and now let's dive in. Back when coding was the bottleneck. 10 years ago, if you had a great idea and wanted to build something, anything, you just had three options. First, learn how to code. Number two, ask a developer and pay a lot of money. Or number three, ask your cousin who's really good at computer stuff. So naturally, most people never built anything. Ideas died in dreams and on napkins. And today, the code still matters, but AI changed the game dramatically. What the heck is vibe coding? So, what is vibe coding? Imagine coding your applications but with AI as a co-pilot. The AI co-pilot writes big chunks of your code, helps you with bug fixing, gives you new ideas to create your apps, and never gets tired or rolls the eyes when you ask a stupid question. Cursor AI is the best example. It's like having ChatGPT in your code editor. And it's like having a senior developer 24/7 beside you. Want to build an app? Just open Cursor, create a new project, explain to the AI what you want to build, ask for questions, iterate with the AI, let explain what he's doing, and then voila, you have your app. Then you try to get into details, ask the KI to do new stuff, and there it is, your product. So instead of fighting syntax errors for 3 days straight, you're testing your MVP tonight. Don't want to code? Just no code. Maybe you're thinking, cool, but I don't want to code or touch code at any point. You don't like code, you hate code, you're allergic to it. Great. You don't have to, because you can just write one line and you're finished with the product. That's where more no-code kind of tools like Lovable take place. You think, you drag, you drop, you tweak, you polish just by your words. Easiest things, you can't see any code if you don't want to. Landing pages, full websites, customer-facing portals, done in hours, not in weeks and years. You can upload an MVP within days, within hours, just tonight. Build it today, test it tomorrow, launch it on Tuesday, and get feedback by weekend. No code, no excuses. Your instant backend. Supabase. Front end, done. But what's up with the backend? Database, authentication, or real-time stuff. Enter Supabase. Basically, it's like Google Firebase, but open sourced and free. It's so cool. It handles all your data, your APIs, your users, your logins, everything in one simple application. No manual configuration, no babysitting of servers, just plug it in, test it, change it, and you're good to go. So instead, asking an agent to do a 20K add-on to build the backend for your application, just do it by yourself. Or with Cursor and the MCP to Supabase, do it yourself with AI. So, if code isn't the problem anymore, what is? This is the punchline nobody wants to hear. The bottleneck, using AI to build, isn't the building anymore. Now it's sales. AI, vibe coding, and no code, they remove the technical hurdle towards building your applications and ideas. But they don't magically appeal customers to your products. They don't care about your customers, they don't generate new revenue or try to do marketing. Of course, there are a lot of AI tools that help you with this, but it's real difficult now that everyone can do any idea on the market to sell these platforms, tools and apps to the customer. If you want your idea to work, you need the sales, you need the people who live the product and have the network effect. So it always counts that distribution beats product, always, especially in this time. But does it really work? People think this is a really big bubble, it's a big hype, but look around. Solo indie hackers built a Chrome extension and sold it overnight for 50K. Small teams are launching SaaS startups within days for micro niche and blow up overnight. And founders are validating their ideas on X or Twitter and start doing the work after validation. Then they blow up and sell their businesses after just some months for millions of dollars. And the secret, they are using vibe coding, no code, AI to skip the gatekeepers. They just distribute stuff and stuff and stuff. They do application over application every day, every week, every month. Of course, we're in a hype, maybe a bubble, but these products give real customer value and people are interested in the product and pay a lot of money for them. So, what should you do? If you've got an idea, tonight is the night you stop using excuses and you start building. Use Cursor to write codes for your applications. Use Windsurf to create new products. Use Lovable to create web applications that are outstanding and use Supabase as your backend. And then spend 90% of your time telling people about your product, about your idea, and build in public. Talk to users. Tell them their stories. Sell and learn how to sell, and you're good to go and deploy your first application. If this video gives you a small push to deploy your products and start building, then give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to see more deep dives into tech, AI, personal finance, productivity and growth. And drop a comment what you would build if code and as code is no much more of a hurdle. Maybe you get inspired by yourself and start building your own app. This is a golden age for builders, not advisors. So let's start. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.